They got fire right here.
I remember this house caught on fire a couple years ago.
Oh, yeah?
They're doing fireworks. And they didn't burn again. When we lived here, I remember we went over here to caught on fire.
I want a big one to pop out.
The Roman candle. What's she doing with the baby? Let's go listen.
They shoot like what? Maybe 5 or 6 of them?
Like 5.
It will suck like if it malfunction.
Oh no. Technically did.
Oh heck no, we'll take that. Oh no.
Alright, burners. Oh!
Look up, look up, look up. Oh! I got it. Oh my goodness. Oh! Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this one up on YouTube right there.
Let's go closer over there. These guys aren't doing anything. Oh, they can do a spot. Oh, it's a strong one you're talking about.
Oh yeah. Oh man. I just got
That side.
that? You never know, I think I just blow up. I'm like, if someone just like go like right near you, just book it. And he threw it right here, then it went up and. Oh crap! Watch out! Watch out! Right side. Oh no, I think it's a candle. Yeah, probably. Oh no, it's the sparklers. Dude, that was a big one. Like, so like it did like 3 of them at the same time.
Yeah, there's been 3 more.
Is it the one to go up? Or
Yeah,
is it...
look.
Oh crap! Oh man, my eardrum. Well, they feel like you. Well, if it is the one, oh, it's over here, but still.
No, I think the one on the left didn't go up.
They put the camera here. Left side. Left side. They put the candle. Put the candle on the left. Look, it's not going off. Oh, over here. Oh, one was doing this to go boom right now.
I don't know when it goes malfunction.
I was able to catch it like just as it was going up. Like I think it was called boom.
Yeah. I think they got Roman candles.
Yeah.
Yeah, Roman candles. Or,
It's not going off.
footlong.
It's kind of scary. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, look, we're here. Oh no. Hey, look! Oh no. Candles. Oh, wait!
Ah, come on!
Go, go, go! Right here. Oh, crap!
Frozen!
Better view, better view, better view, better view! Oh, crap! I got this. Crap, what was that?
It's the worst thing from a
Hey! That's what I'm talking about right there.
Hang something on the floor.
I need that view right there. Holy.
That sucks.
Wait, you had to
Froze.
Oh yeah?
Stupid. Ah.
You had to restart it or what?
Yeah, reboot it.
Holy crap, that thing went boom.
Ah, was like the perfect time. You got it. though,
Yeah, I got all of that right
Oh, okay,
there.
that's-
That was just, oh my goodness. How about this one here?
right?
What's this one do?
Yeah, it's too small. It's probably the little sparklers. Yeah.
Oh crap. You sure? Oh
I
yeah.
have it, Sam.
Okay, I thought you sure.
Yeah. Pretty good size.
I know. Keep my eye out because something's gonna happen right here.
Alright, these guys are gonna kill him. It's a good
Look
size
at,
one
I
too.
know. It's like a battle right
Look at
here.
the size of the box, and then maybe we'll talk
Not
about the
true.
car.
And they don't got no like cheap lighters and stuff. They're running, so.
Probably the same as this one.
Oh, snap!